So we're going to make this YouTube video of gymnastics on the trampoline. I'll go first. I'll be doing a front flip.
Sideways?
I'll be doing a front flip.
No, I meant...
No, just record right there.
I know.
Front flip. Now one more time.
Good job.
Okay. And then Bailey is going to do 2 front flips. Yep. No. Like I did. One more. Alright. Savannah's not here yet, so when she gets down here, we'll have her do hers. Come on.
What am I doing?
Record. And now, I'm going to go. We're going to do a front flip off the pool stand onto the trampoline. It's dangerous, but we know how to. Now, one more.
I don't like that kind.
Now Bailey's gonna go. Now Bailey's gonna record. We're gonna jump we're gonna go right here, jump, and do a front flip.
And then the next one is front back.
One more.
Good job.
Now Bailey's going to do the same. Alright, and then she's going to hop down, and I'm going to do a back handspring.
No, we were supposed to do front back.
Not yet. Use that. Now Bailey's going to do 2 back handsprings. One more. Okay. And then she's going to hop down, and we're going to do a back handspring tutorial. I'll do it from this side of you and then the other side.
Oh, is it the spread out one? Huh?
Mm-hmm. Now she's going to do a back handspring tutorial. Okay? And now we're going to do where we jump off of the pool ladder and jump back and do one. But that's after when we do a back tuck. And I just learned these yesterday. Crazy how you can learn so fast. Okay? And now, I'm going to do, where we turn around.
I can't do this, so.
Back and do it back. Okay. It's kind of scary, but. One more time. Okay.
I'm just going to jump off, do my front flip, and then back handspring since I can't do that. Okay.
She's going to do something different because she cannot do that. Not yet. One more time. Okay.
I failed.
And now I'm going to do a back tuck off of the full leg. Ladder. One more time.
What am I doing?
She's going to do a freestyle because she cannot do that either. Do that again. Okay? Now, I'm going to do my side flip.
I can try to do that, but I'll fail probably. That was an aerial.
That was a fail. I'll do it again.
Again, here. Okay, Savannah's coming out.
Now you do the same thing. YouTube video. YouTube video.
What do I do? Oh, yeah.
Just try. You won't hurt yourself. I just did and I messed up. Okay. Tired. Okay. Good job. Now we're gonna do jumps. Okay. Come on.
Oh, wow, you walked it out.
Butthole. Ready? Now we're gonna do some cheerleading stuff.
Are we doing back walkover too?
No, we're gonna each do. She's gonna do whatever I do. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this way. 5, 6, 7,
Oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Now Bailey's gonna do the same. And then this video is ending.
Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can try to do this one. I'm not ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, now come on. Freestyle. I'll do some flips on the ground. I'll do some.
Around all funny.
No, come on, Haley. All right, now this is the this is almost like the grand finale.
Which I can't do.
We could do some stuff.
We gotta go.